Hello, dear listener. Today is not an ordinary day. Today can be the first day of your new life. Life is not about waiting for the perfect moment. Life is about creating the moment here and now. From this very second, you have the power to rewrite your story. Your past does not define you. Your failures do not limit you. Your struggles do not break you. You are not limited. Life is like a book. Some chapters are painful, some chapters are beautiful. But remember, you hold the pen, you can write the next chapter starting today. You are defined by the choice you make today. So, are you ready to begin this journey? A journey that may truly change your life. Part 1. The power of mindset. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Your mind is your best friend and your worst enemy. If you believe you can, you are halfway there. If you believe you can't, then you are already defeated, already failed. Think about it. Every invention, every great achievement started in the human mind as a single thought. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Someone asked him, "How did you keep going after failing so many times?" Edison replied, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. I discovered 1,000 ways that didn't work." That's mindset. Part 2. Let me tell you a story. In Japan, there is a kind of bamboo tree. When you plant the seed, nothing happens for the first year. Nothing happens in the second year. Not even in the third year. You water it daily, but still no results. But in the fifth year, something magical happens. The bamboo suddenly grows 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. Now let me ask you, did the bamboo grow in 6 weeks? No. It was growing underground all the time, developing roots strong enough to hold that height. Life is exactly the same. Your hard work, your discipline, your patience may not show results today, but deep down your roots are getting stronger. One day success will rise just like the bamboo. Listen, success takes time. Roots grow before results show. Part 3. Real life story APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, was once a poor boy who sold newspapers to support his family. No one believed that a boy from such a small town could become the president of a nation. But he had two things: dreams and discipline. He studied under street lights. He worked harder than anyone else. And he believed in his dream. Today, the world remembers him not only as a scientist but as a visionary who inspired millions. What do we learn? It doesn't matter where you start, it matters how much courage and consistency you have. Part 4. Real Story. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah was born into poverty. As a child, she faced abuse, hardship, rejection. Society told her she wasn't good enough. But she refused to let her past define her. She worked, studied, built herself step by step. Today, Oprah is one of the most influential women in the world. She says, "Turn your wound into wisdom." Listen, no matter where you start, your destiny is in your hands. Part 5. Let me tell you a real story of Oprah Winfrey. Let me tell you short story, The Eagle and the Chicken. A farmer once found an eagle's egg and placed with his chickens, scratching the ground for food, never realizing it could fly. One day, another eagle flew overhead. The young eagle looked up in wonder but said, "I can never do that. I am just a chicken," and it lived its whole life like one. Listen, don't let the world convince you that you are less than what you are. You are born to fly. Let me tell you a real story. Colonel Sanders. At the age of 65, after retiring, Colonel Sanders had nothing but a small pension. He had a fried chicken recipe and a dream. He knocked on doors of restaurants, and 1009 times people rejected him. But the 1010th time, someone finally said yes. That recipe became KFC. Listen, it's never too late to start. Rejections are not the end. They are the test of your determination. Practical life lesson. First, discipline is greater than motivation. Motivation fades, discipline stays. Focus on the present. The past cannot be changed. The future cannot be guaranteed. All you have is today. Number 3. Gratitude attracts abundance. Say thank you every day. 4. Your circle matters. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Read, learn, and grow. Knowledge is the greatest wealth. Part 7. Guided affirmation. Now repeat after me slowly with belief. I am stronger than my fear. I am not my past, I am my future. Every day I am becoming a better version of myself. Challenges make me stronger. I deserve success, happiness, and peace. My life is a gift and I will make it meaningful. So, dear listener, remember this, your life will not change by chance. It will change by choice. The stories you heard today of the bamboo tree, of Opraha, of colonial senders, they are not just stories. They are proof that change is possible. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Take one small step today, read one page, learn one skill, break one bad habit, start small but start. And as you move forward, keep this in your heart. Your future is not written yet. You are the author. Write a story worth remembering. Thank you for listening. Now go and live your life fully, fearlessly, and freely.